The Pinky Ponk. Hurry up, Pinky Ponk. Who's here?
Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy! Oh, Upsy Daisy! Oh.
Upsy Daisy and Igglepiggle.
Upsy Daisy! Oh! Oh.
Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy, Daisy do.
Upsy Daisy! Oh.
Yes, my name is Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle, nickle, wiggle, diggle. Yes, my name is Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle, nickle, wiggle, woo.
Oh. Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy!
Upsy Daisy and Igglepiggle.
Pip pip on. Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy! Mwah! Pip pip onk onk! How? Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy!
Looking up, looking down, here and there, and all about. Here's a house. Whose house is this? And are they in? Or are they out? Let's see.
Makka Pakka!
Makka Pakka.
Makka Pakka! Woo!
Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo. Makka Pakka, appa yakka, ika akka oo. Hum dum, aga pang, ing ang oo. Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo.
Makka Pakka! Makka Pakka!
Hello, Makka Pakka. What are you doing today?
Makka Pakka!
Are you going out into the garden? Can we go with you?
Makka Pakka! Makka Pakka!
Makka Pakka's Ogpog.
Ogpog. Makka Pakka. Makka Pang.
Makka Pakka's Sponge and Soap.
Makka Pang. Makka Makka Moo. Uff uff.
Makka Pakka's Uff Uff.
Uff uff. Uff uff. Dum.
And Makka Pakka's Trumpet. Oh!
Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
What a funny trumpet noise. It doesn't usually sound like that.
I'm done. Makka Pakka. Makka. Makka. Moo. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
Who's here? The Pontipines. The Pontipines are friends of mine, although they're only small, and even when there's 10 of them, they're hardly there at all. 1 Pontipine, 2 Pontipines, 3 Pontipines, 4 Pontipines, 5 Pontipines, 6 Pontipines, 7 Pontipines, 8 Pontipines, 9 Pontipines, 10 Pontipines.
Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
What a funny noise.
Ooh, Upsy Daisy. Oh. Upsy Daisy. Oh. Upsy Daisy.
What a funny noise.
Oh. Upsy Daisy. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Upsy Daisy.
Don't worry, Igglepiggle. It's only a funny noise.
Oh. Upsy Daisy. Oh. Upsy Daisy. Daisy too. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Upsy Daisy, Upsy Daisy. Oh, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy, Daisy too. Upsy Daisy, Upsy Daisy. Makka Pakka. Upsy Daisy! Makka Pakka! Oh, Upsy Daisy! Makka Pakka! Oh, how? Upsy Daisy! Ooh! Upsy Daisy! Oh.
What a funny trumpet noise.
Upsy Daisy!
Makka Pakka's trumpet is making a funny noise.
Ooh! Upsy Daisy! Oh! Upsy Daisy!
There's something wrong with Makka Pakka's trumpet.
Oh, Upsy Daisy! Makka Pakka. Oh! Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy!
Oh, Upsy Daisy, have you had a clever idea to make Makka Pakka feel better? Are you going to do a dance?
Daisy do! Daisy do!
What a clever way to make Makka Pakka feel better.
Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy do! Upsy Daisy! Daisy do! Upsy Daisy do! Upsy Daisy do! Makka Pakka! Upsy Daisy! Oh! Makka Pakka! Oh, Upsy Daisy! Oh.
Look at that. Look what came out of Makka Pakka's trumpet. A pretty stone.
Daisy do!
That's more like Makka Pakka's trumpet noise.
Daisy do! Makka Pakka! Ooh! Upsy Daisy! Daisy do! Oh, Daisy do! Oh. Upsy Daisy! Ooh! Oh. Daisy do! Daisy do! Makka Pakka. Oh, Upsy Daisy! Oh.
What a lovely present.
Oh, Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy! Oh, Daisy do! Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy! Daisy too. Upsy Daisy! Daisy. Oh, Upsy Daisy. Oh,
Thank you, Makka Pakka.
Daisy Jew. Oh, Upsy Daisy.
Makka Pakka.
Oh, Daisy Jew.
Makka Pakka had a stone in his trumpet. Isn't that a pip?
Makka Pakka. Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
A story. Once upon a time, in the night garden, there was a funny noise. Boop, 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 boop. What a funny noise, coming from Makka Pakka's trumpet. There was a stone in it. Makka Pakka gave the stone to Upsy Daisy. Thank you, Makka Pakka.